Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Elevate Chemistry. So in the last two videos, I already explained the chapter-wise important concepts in PUC first year and the chapter-wise important concepts in PUC second year. That is quick revision part 1 and quick revision part 2. And now in the today's video, I am going to explain how to find log and anti-log without a log table in NEET, JEE and in CET. And today's trick is very important from the competitive examination point of view. Stop. So to find log and anti-log without a log table, so first you have to know the simple logarithm laws. So these are the two important simple logarithm laws. The first one is log a into b, and log a into b is equal to log a plus log b, and the second logarithm law is log a raised to b. So log a raised to b is equal to b log a. So please remember these two simple logarithm laws. In addition to these two simple logarithm laws, so please remember these six values, that is log 2 value, log 3, log 5, log 7, log 9, and rarely this log 11 is used. Okay, so log 2 equal to 0.3010, log 3 equal to 0.4771, log 5 equal to 0.6990, log 7 equal to 0.8451, log 9 equal to 0.9542, and log 11 is equal to 1.0414. Okay, so please remember these simple logarithm laws and these six values. Now let us take one example. So the first example is log, log 4. So already in this list log 2 value is there and log 3 value is there. Next one is third one is log 5. So log 3 and log 5, log 4 is missing. So let us take a first example log 4. So here log 4 is equal to, let us write this log 4 in the form log 2 into 2, or so 2 raised to 2. So 2 raised to 2. So this log 2 raised to 2 is in the form log a raised to b. So let us write this one in the form, so 2 log 2. So you keep this 2 as it is, so which is multiplied by, so log 2. So the log 2 value is 0.3010. So let us write 0.3010. So 0.3010 into 2, so the value become 0.6020. So this is log 4 value. Now the second example, so log 2 value is known, log 3 value is known. Now just now we calculated log 4 value, then log 5 value is known. Now next one is log 7. Here it is log 5 and here it is log 7. Again log 6 is missing. So let us take a second example, log 6. So log 6 equal to, so log 6 equal to, let us write this log 6 in the form log 3 into 2. So 3 2s are 6. Okay, so log 3 into 2. So log 3 into 2 is in the form log a into b. So log a into b equal to log a plus log b. So let us write this one. So log a is log 3, then plus log b equal to log 2. So log 3 value is also known and log 2 value is also known. So log 3 equal to 0.4771, then plus log 2 equal to 0.3010. Okay, log 3 value is 0.4771 and log 2 value is 0.3010. Now add these two values, you will get the answer 0.7781. So this is the answer for log 6. Now the third example, so log 5, log 6, just now we calculated the log 6 value, log 7 is there. Now next is log 9, so log 7, next log 9, log 8 is missing. So let us take a third example, log 8. So log 8 equal to, let us write this log 8 in the form log 2 raised to 3. So log 2 raised to 3, this is in the form again log a raised to b. So log a raised to b equal to b log a. So let us write, so 3 into log 2. So 3 into log 2, now which is equal to, so you keep this 3 as it is. So log 2, already you know the value, log 2 equal to 0.3010. So now 3 into 0.3010, so this is equal to 0.9030. This is the value of log 8. Now let us take a fourth example. So now let us take a 2-digit number, so log 21. Okay, so let us check how to find log value of a 2-digit number. Now here in this example log 21, so log 21, instead of writing log 21, so once again let us write this log 21 in the form log 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21, so log 21 is equal to log 7 into 3. So again this is in the form log a into b. So log a equal to log 7 plus log b log 3. Okay, and already you know these two values, log 7, so log 7 equal to 0.8451, then plus log 3 equal to 0.4771. So if you add these two values, you will get the answer. So 1.3222. So this is the value of log 21. Now here to cross check this log 21 value by using log table. So in the log table, so 21, so 21 means it's a 2-digit number. So in the log table, so you please check 21 under 0th column. So 21 under 0th column, you will get the 4-digit number, so 3222. So this is the value of log 21 under 0th column in the log table. Okay, so 21 means it is a 2-digit number. Always in case of log, subtract 1 from number of a digit. That means here the number contains 2 digit. Okay, so subtract 1 from the number of digit. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. You write that 1, so before the 4-digit number and put the decimal point. So here the characteristic is 1. Here the number of digits are 2, therefore the characteristic is 1. Suppose the number of digits are 3 means you write characteristic as 3. The number of digits are 4 means characteristic is 3, and so on. Okay, so the answer for this log 21 is 1.3222. So let us take one more 2-digit number, that is log 35. Okay, so once again 35, so it's a 2-digit number. So instead of writing log 35, so let us write log 7 into 5. So 7 5s are 35. So log 7 into 5, this is in the form log a into b. So therefore, so log 7 into 5 is equal to log 7 plus log 5. And already you know the value of log 7 also and log 5 value also. So let us write these values. Log 7 equal to 0.8451 plus log 5 equal to 0.6990. So if you add these two values, you will get the final answer. So 1.5441. So this is the value of log 35. And once again, if you want to cross check this log 35 value by using log table, so 35 under 0th column, so 35 under 0th column, you will get a 4-digit number 5441, and here 35, it is a 2-digit number. Okay, so it's a 2-digit number, so therefore subtract 1 from the number of digits, so you will get the characteristics 1. Okay, so therefore write the characteristic 1.5441. So this is the value of log 35. If there is a decimal point, the decimal point ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಲಾಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Okay, so let us take a first example, log 0.2. So 0.2, this number, it contains a decimal point. So here, so instead of log 0.2, let us check log 2 value. So already you know the log 2 value. So log 2 value is equal to 3010. 4-digit number is 3010, and here because of the decimal point, so you write a characteristic as bar 1. So then to put the decimal point, so bar 1.3010. So this is the value of log 0.2. Now similarly, the second example, so log 0.02. Okay, log 0.02. Again, in this example also, so let us use log 2 value. So log 2 value is equal to, so 3010, 4-digit number is 3010, and here the characteristic, so write the characteristic, so bar 2 and then put the decimal point. So the value of log 0.02 is, so bar 2.3010. Now similarly, let us take one more example. So log 0.005. Okay, log 0.005. So log 0.005. So in this case, use log 5 value. So already you know the log 5. So log 5 equal to 0.36990. So let us write a 4-digit number 6990, and here so 1, 2 and 3. So you write the characteristic, so bar 3.6990. So this is the value of 0.005. Okay, so similarly let us take one more example, that is log 0.024. So log 0.024. Now to check this log 0.024, so let us use log 24 value. Okay, let us take log 24. So log 24 means, let us write this one in the form log 12 into 2. So 12 2s are 24. So log 12 into 2. So now you write, so log 12. So log 12 then plus of log 2. Again here log 12. So log 12 means, let us write this one in the form, so log 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Log 4 into 3 plus of log 2. Okay, so now this is equal to log 4 plus of log 3 then plus log 2. Okay, so already you know all these three log values. Okay, so let us continue here. Okay, so first one is log 4 value. So first one is log 4 value. So log 4 value is equal to 0.6020 plus log 3. So log 3 value is equal to 0.4771, then plus of log 2 value is equal to 0.3010. Okay, now if you add these three values, you get the number, so 1.3802.
ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ
Pause agla. So the value is 1.3802. Okay, so value ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1.3802 ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, you write the 4-digit number 3802 as it is. So 3802 as it is, and instead of writing this characteristic, here the value is 0.024. Okay, so it contains a decimal point. So therefore you write the characteristic as, so 2 bar. Write the characteristic as 2 bar 3802. So instead of 1, you write the characteristic as 2 bar 3802. So this is the value of log 0.24. Okay, so this, all these are the example which contains a decimal point in it. Okay, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಸೇ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, so if you use the actual value is say 390 and here you will get 3802. So 38 almost the same. Okay, so we required only actual or approximate anti-log. How to find anti-log without log table? Okay, So here anti-log it is a reverse of log. You please remember, anti-log it is a reverse of log. And already you know the log values. So log 2 equal to 0.3010. So log 3, log 4 value 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 11. Okay. So anti-log is equal to reverse of log. So let us take anti-log of. So anti-log of 0.3010 is equal to 2. So the anti-log of 0.3010 is equal to 2. Similarly, anti-log of 3 is equal to, anti-log of 0.4771. Some pause button. Anti-log of 0.3010 is equal to 2. Anti-log of 0.4771 is equal to 3. Similarly, anti-log of 0.6020 is equal to 4. So anti-log of 0.6990 is equal to 5 and so on. So now let us take an example. So the first example, so anti-log of, anti-log of, so 3 point, stop it. So one more very important hint is, please remember this hint, anti-log. So anti-log into log A. So anti-log into log A. So log and anti-log get cancelled. So here the answer is A. So please remember this hint. So now let us take an example. The first example is anti-log of. The first example is anti-log of 3.5717. So here anti-log of 3.5717. So let us split this number, anti-log of 3 plus of 0.5717. Now let us write this one in the form anti-log of, so log, so 10 to the power of plus 3, then plus of, so 0.5717. So already you know the values. So 0.5717, so it comes in between log 3 and log 4. So please see these values. Log 3 equal to 0.4771 and log 4 equal to 0.6020. So here the 0.5717 means it comes in between log 3 to log 4. So approximately let us take log 3.6. Okay, so 0.5717 means it is nothing but log 3.6. So now let us write anti-log. So anti-log, so write this one in the form log 3.6 into 10 to the power of plus 3. Okay, so now log and anti-log get cancelled. So the final answer is 3.6 into 10 to the power of plus 3. So this is the value of anti-log of 3.5717. Pause. So let us take a second example. So anti-log of, so 8.7183. Okay, anti-log of 8.7183. So once again let us write this one in the form anti-log of 8 plus 0.7183. Okay, if you add these two, once again you will get 8.7183 only. Okay, and now here let us write anti-log of, so log 10 to the power of plus 8, then plus, so 0.7183. So already you know these log values, 0.7183. So 7183 means it comes in between log 5 and log 6. So let us approximately take log 5.4. Okay, so now in the next step, anti-log of log 5.4 into 10 to the power of plus 8. So cancel this log and anti-log. So the final answer is 5.4 into 10 to the power of plus 8. So this is the answer for anti-log of 8.7183.